One. What do you have for this puppet? Here we go. And. Yeah, you can decline, right? I know. And this is very good. Decline. Fine. I will give you this. I'll give you this snake. Add. I'm gonna give you this spiky ball. Add. Fine, I'll take off the spiky ball and give you a pop too. Accept. I feel like this was a scam. My Rubik's Cube is rare. It's not a scam. Like for part 2. Bye.